I don't have to get dressed for work. I don't have a commute to a job. I don't even have a boss. You know why? Because I quit my job to crochet full time. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. Before we get into exactly how I quit my job, I should tell you what my job was. So for the past 17 years, I've been working as a teacher counselor, working with individuals with intellectual disabilities. And I absolutely loved my job. But about 10 years ago, I had my son and I had to switch to midnight shift because there's no way to find daycare for him. So I would work night shift and my husband worked day shift. So there was somebody always there with my son. So while working on midnight shift, it began to have a wear and tear on my body. And about in 2015, I decided maybe I should start looking for other ways to make income. So I started doing custom orders and selling crochet to friends and family. And it became kind of addictive. And I tried to find more ways of making money with crochet. And eventually I learned how to market myself. And I was selling my custom orders all over the US. So once I started making good money with that, I was thinking, what are some more ways of making money with crochet? Because custom orders was giving me good money, but it wasn't enough to quit. That's when I looked into YouTube. That was around 2017. So I started YouTube then. I was still doing custom orders. I was still working midnight shift and I was trying to figure out the ins and out of YouTube. So of course I did tons of research, and I would say when I began my YouTube channel, it's truly I began Littlejohn Yarns as a business. I started researching blogs and other ways of making money, but we'll get a little bit more than that. Let me tell you the other ways I make money. So one, I told you it was through custom orders. Two, through YouTube. The way I make money through YouTube is through AdSense. What AdSense is, you ever notice the commercials you'll see before you start your YouTube video that's 15 seconds long or you can skip? Well, that's how I get paid through YouTube. So YouTube takes 40% of that. Of course, it's their platform. It seems like a lot, but without them, you would probably never know who I am. So thank you, YouTube. So they take 40% of that. And I began making about maybe after 6 months of being on YouTube, I made absolutely no money. So you're going to be doing a lot of work that doesn't show any results for a very long time. But I think my first check from YouTube was like 30 bucks. I was like, oh my goodness, or was it 100? It was a small amount, but it gave me enough energy to keep going. So at that time, I decided to look into blogging. Well, blogging is another way I make income. Also through AdSense or any type of other ad network. What AdSense does for your blog, if you ever go on any type of website and you'll see the little ads placed all around the blog, that's how I get paid on my website. So if anybody happens to click on any one of them ads while they're looking at my free patterns, I get a percentage of that. And also, I use this on my blog and on my YouTube channel. It's called affiliate marketing. If you ever see me recommend a product, one of the products that I absolutely love, I always talk about my Addy circular knitter. I don't have it next to me, but I'll make sure I'll put a picture somewhere around. I love that machine so much and I recommend it to other people. So I am an affiliate through them. If any of you purchase the circular knitting machine, I get a small commission from there. So if I recommend a yarn that I really love, I'll get a small commission for that. I also have my own crochet book, if you guys would like to check that out. It is called The Secret to Selling Crochet. I have so many people always ask, Alysha, how do you make money selling crochet? I'm trying my hardest. I'm on Etsy and nothing's happening. Well, this book tells you exactly how to market yourself. That link is down in the description box below if you want to read that book. But I make a monthly income from Amazon ebooks on my crochet book. What else? Oh, I make money from my crochet patterns. That's pretty much obvious. That is my #1 love, making crochet patterns. So I probably have over 100 crochet patterns. I have them listed on Etsy and Ravelry and Lovecraft. I list them as many places I can to create more income revenue for me. So I make money from that every month. And what else? Oh, sponsorships, of course. Sponsorships can be, let's say, this hasn't happened. Let's say Lion Brand says, hey, Alysha, I love your channel. I have this new yarn. We want to pay you $200 to talk about this yarn. And if I love the product, I'll be like, heck yeah, I want that sponsorship. But That hasn't happened yet. But Lion Brand, if you ever want to sponsor me with something, let me know. Last but not least, I make money through my product merch. If you look down below in your viewer right now, you'll see my Teespring shop. I sell t-shirts with funny sayings, stickers, bags, sweatshirts, anything you think of. And of course, I have to push my own shop. Right now, if you use the promo code YARN, all capitals, you'll receive a 10% discount. All right, guys, all the things that I told you on how I make money, of course, they are not easy. You have to be consistent, persistent, just don't stop. I know a lot of you are saying like, hey, Alysha, I don't have time to make money doing any of these things. I understand. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I have kids that I have to homeschool during this pandemic. It's a lot, and I was working midnight shift. But if you truly want to do this, it's the future. It's almost 2021 right now. When I was small, people used to ask, Alysha, what did you want to be when you grew up? I didn't know because YouTube didn't exist yet. The internet didn't exist yet. Now I'm able to make money while I'm at home. I can be at home in my pajamas and make money crocheting. I'm finally able to do this full time. And if any of you are interested in trying to take the same steps that I have all the links and articles listed down below so you guys can find out all about that yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this story time with me, and I'll see you all in the very next video. Bye, guys.